Alright. Hey guys, stop. Don't shoot all of them out. You're gonna jam it.
Well,
Hey guys, we're recording. This is his channel. Okay?
my channel. Wait, let me look. Let's see, because I want.
These are all the guns that we're gonna be using today, except for this gun right here, my machine gun. We're gonna be. Charles, line them up to show them what
Like a
gun we're gonna
shotgun.
be using. Okay. Alright guys, so. Alright, Charles, you know this gun. What do you call this gun?
The sniper. But if you take off the scope, it looks like a shotgun.
Alright, so this is the double gun. This is what it's called. This one is the double barrel
Wait.
pistol. And this one is a 6-bolt Nerf gun.
By the way,
Pistol.
before we start doing the war,
So, yeah.
we're gonna test these guns out.
Yeah, we're gonna see which one goes the farthest.
And the highest.
So first we're using this one and this one. I'll shoot this one.
What about this one?
First we're using leave this one in.
It's the Zombie Striker.
Alright, so we're
It's a
using
Zombie Striker pistol versus the Alpha Red Sniper.
Okay.
Adios.
Alright. You shoot first. Wait. No. First we're going straight.
I know, and it said on the box it says some shoots 155.
Alright. Shoot first. Shoot. No, not up in the air.
Oh.
Shoot like this first. Ready? Set. Okay. Let's see where that one landed. Ready? Zombie Striker.
Pistol.
Mine went farther. Because mine went farther. His landed right here. Mine landed right here. See, this is the beast. Hey, you shot it up more. Yeah, you did. I can see you. I'm putting the bullet back in. And now we're going to see which one is going to go higher. Yes. Hold on, guys. I'll see you soon. Alrighty. Alright. Charles, you shoot first up in the air. I know this one's going to win. Ready? No, let them see in the scope. Shoot when they're... No, wait. Shoot when they're in the scope. Hold on. Okay, go. Okay. Alright, my turn. Ready, guys? Doof. Yeah, yours went higher.
Yeah.
Mine landed right here. Guys, this gun is like so close to beating that gun, right, Charles?
Yeah.
Whoops.
And guys, you guys can get this gun at Walmart.
Yeah.
It's only like
We have a lot of Nerf guns. We have
$10.
We have a lot of Nerf guns, but we're not selling them all because, yeah.
I live like all over behind the tree.
See, I like that, the little barrel. It says Nerf on it. I like the short barrel.